Bill Healy here at Fabtech in Chicago, and I'm really excited today. We've got presentations on metal stamping and operational excellence in metal stamping, operational excellence in robotic welding. I'm going to see some really great presentations by other presenters today, and looking forward to the FMA social event tonight. Tomorrow, I'm presenting on Smart Factory and how to start your Smart Factory journey. I'm going to talk about continuous condition monitoring and predictive maintenance, and there's an awesome SME event, and I hear rumor you can meet Jay Call as well, the manufacturing millennial, in the SME booth in the afternoon on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, I've got an all-day smart manufacturing boot camp here at Fabtech. It's going to be really great. There's a ton of presenters, and we're going to tell you, help you work through your whole plan to set up your smart manufacturing journey. So if you're at Fabtech, leave a comment below and let me know, and let's try to connect. And I'll be sure to share all week some awesome insights and technologies that I discover on the exhibition floor. Hope you have a great day, and ask yourself, what will I automate next?